Sup y'all, today we're going to learn a dance called Choosin, Texas. Beginner friendly as most things on this channel. It goes to a beautiful song called Choosin, Texas by Ella Langley. Super popular right now. Hopefully it's still popular when you're learning this dance. And it's a 24 count dance. Let's go for it. We're going to start by doing a modified Roomba box. So pretend you're drawing a square on the ground, okay? You know how you draw a box? You want to do that on the ground as you move with these steps, okay? We're going to start by drawing the right side, the bottom side to the right, okay? So we're going to step right together, and then we're going to shuffle forward, right, left, right, okay? So once again, that's right together, right, left, right. Again, right together, shuffle, right, left, right. Great. Now we're going to do the opposite. So you're going to take this left foot, you're going to step left together, and then step backwards, left, right, left. We're shuffling backwards, okay? So again, we did our shuffle right, left, right. Weights on our right foot, step left together, back, left, right, left. The count for that is 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, side 5 together, 6, back 7 and 8. Okay, let's try that all together. Ready, go. Right together, shuffle right, and left together, back, left, right, left. Great. Okay, this next part, I'm going to give you two options. I'm going to give you the simple way to do it first, and then I'm going to teach you how it's choreographed, which has a half turn. So choose right now which one you want to learn and then see if you can challenge yourself. So the steps are rock back on this right foot, okay, recover on the left, rock back for 1, recover for 2, then we're going to shuffle forward, right, left, right. Okay, so again, rock back, recover, shuffle right, left, right. Then we're going to do the opposite. We're going to shuffle forward, rock forward on this. Then we're going to do the opposite. We're going to rock forward on this left foot, rock forward, recover back onto this right foot. Then we're going to shuffle back, left, right, left. So it's just the opposite. So you're rocking back, back, recover, shuffle right, rock forward, recover, back, left, right, left. Try that again. Ready, go. Back, recover, and right, rock forward, recover, and left, right, left. Now, if you want to do the half turns with it, this is how it looks. You're going to rock back on this right foot, rock forward, and on this shuffle, you're going to do right, left, right. End up facing your back wall because you're doing a half turn while you shuffle. So again, that's rock, recover, and turn it out. Okay, then we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to rock back on this left foot, back on the left, recover on the right, and turn the opposite direction over our right shoulder, left, right, left. Okay, so you're doing the same steps, it's just you're turning while you're doing it. So the normal way is rock and right, rock and left, right, left. And with the turn, it's rock and turn right, rock back and turn left, right, left. So choose right now which one you want to do, and let's try it from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. Right and shuffle forward, left and shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle half turn, rock back, recover, shuffle half turn. Okay, let's try it again. Ready, go. Rock and shuffle 3 and 4, left and back 7 and 8, rock and shuffle half turn, rock back and shuffle half turn. Let me do it once with the easy way. Ready, go. Right and right, side and back, left, rock and shuffle forward, rock back and shuffle back. Moving on. Okay, we're almost done. One more section. It's a short dance. Okay, so now for this last part, we're going to rock back on this right foot, back. We're going to hook this left heel in front of our right foot or knee, okay? So it's rock, hook, shuffle, left, right, left, okay? So that's 1, hook, 2, shuffle, 3, and 4. Then we're gonna skate twice, okay? Little roller skate motion, rollerblade motion, okay? After you did your shuffle left, right, left, we're gonna skate right, skate left. We're gonna rock forward on this right foot, and when we recover on this left foot, we're gonna turn a quarter turn, and this is where we start the dance over again, okay? So that section is rock back, hook, left, right, left, skate 5, 6, and rock, step with a turn, okay? A quarter turn. Just that section again. Rock, hook, left, right, skate, left, and rock with a turn. One more time. I know that part's a little awkward. You'll get it, muscle memory. Ready, go. Rock back, hook, left, skate, left, and step, turn. What do you think? Should we try it? Let's put it all together. 5, 6, ready, go. Side and shuffle right to the left and back, shuffle left, rock and shuffle with a turn and rock and shuffle half turn, back, hook, left, and skate, rock, quarter. Are you here? No? Okay, let's try it again. Good for those of you that were. Ready, go. Side and right, left, and left, rock and shuffle half turn, rock and shuffle half turn, back, hook, left, skate, forward, turn. One more time and I'll do the easy way. Easier way. Ready, go. Right and right, left, and shuffle backwards. Rock and right, rock and back, left, rock, hook, shuffle, forward, skate, rock, and turn. We're moving on. If you need that rewind button, click it away. We're moving on to this wall now. You should be facing your 3 o'clock wall, and we're gonna start all over again. So we're gonna do our box now, okay? Nice and slow. Ready, go. Side and right, left, together, left, rock, and shuffle half turn, and shuffle half stop. We should be where we were when we started this wall, okay? Moving on. Rock back, hook, left, skate, rock, turn. Face our new wall now. Let's try that wall one more time all together, a little faster. Ready, go. Right and shuffle forward, left and shuffle back, rock and shuffle half turn, rock and shuffle half turn, back, hook, left, skate, left, rock and turn. All right, you should be facing away from me now. You should know enough to where you don't need me. If you don't, you might want to start the video over again. Let's see. Starting from the beginning, let's see if we can do it all the way through. 5, 6, ready, go. Side and shuffle forward, left and left, rock and shuffle half turn, back and face the back. Step back, hook, left, skate, rock and turn. We should be here now. Let's see. Let's just go for it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roomba, shuffle forward, left, and shuffle back, rock, and shuffle half turn, left, and shuffle half turn, back, hook, left, skate, left, and rock, turn. How'd you do? Let's see if we can do it 4 walls in a row, okay? I'm gonna do the easy way with everyone at home. If you wanna do the shuffle half turns, go for it, okay? I'm gonna do it with people that need to practice a little bit more. Here we go. Rocks and shuffle forward, left, and left, rock, and right, rock left, and left, back, hook, left, skate, rock, turn, and box, and shuffle forward, left, and left, right, rock, and right, left, right, rock forward, and left, rock back, hook, left, left, skate, right, left, and turn again, box, and right, box, and left, rock, and shuffle forward, rock forward, and shuffle back, rock, hook, left, skate, right, left, and turn, box, and right, box, and left, rock, and shuffle forward, rock, and shuffle back, step, hook, left, skate, skate, rock with a turn. You should be facing the front. Are you facing the front? Let's do it one more time, and this time I'll do it with the turns with y'all. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Box and shuffle forward, box and shuffle back, rock and shuffle with the turn, rock and shuffle half turn, back, hook, left, skate, left, rock and turn, box and right, box and left, and shuffle half turn, back and shuffle half turn, rock, hook, left, skate, skate, rock, face the back and box and shuffle forward, left and shuffle forward, rock and shuffle with a turn, rock and shuffle half turn, rock back, hook, left, skate, right, left, rock forward, turn, box, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, back and shuffle half turn, back, shuffle, 7 and 8, back, 2, 3, and 4, skate, 5, 6, rock, 7, turn, 8. We should be at the beginning now. Hopefully you kicked butt on this line dance. If you didn't, go ahead and repeat until you have it. Click my next video. You can dance the song all the way through with music. It is a separate video for those of you looking for it. It's in the description, and you should be able to click at the end of this video. Thanks for doing my line dance with me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.